We'll guide you through how to add camera shake in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many Blender users want to create more dynamic and realistic animations using camera shake effects, but do not know how to set it up. Beginners especially need clear guidance. First, open Blender from the search bar on your computer to begin the process. Once the program is open your project by pressing Ctrl and O on your keyboard, then select the file you want to work on. After that, look for the Edit section on the top menu of the Blender interface and press on it to open a drop-down menu. You will see a bunch of options there, so carefully look through them. From the list, find Preferences and click on it to open the Settings panel. Inside the Preferences window, go to the Get Extensions section where you can browse and install add-ons. In the search bar within that section, type Camera Shakify to find the extension. Once it appears in the results, install it first by clicking the Install button and wait until the process is complete. After the installation is finished, close the Preferences panel to return to your main workspace. Next, add a camera to your scene by pressing Shift and A on your keyboard, then choose the camera option from the menu. After adding the camera, go to the Camera Properties panel, usually located on the right side of the screen. In this panel, extend the Camera Shakify section so you can access its settings. Press the plus sign within that section to add a shake effect to your camera. This will apply the effect to your scene. Then, press Numpad 0 to switch to the camera view and test out the effect you just added. Observe how the camera moves slightly to create a shaking effect. If needed, you can go back to the Camera Shakify settings and adjust the parameters to change the intensity or style of the shake. Make sure everything looks correct before continuing with your project. Practicing these steps will help you understand how to add dynamic camera movement easily. Over time, you will become more confident in using extensions to improve your Blender projects and create more engaging and realistic animations.